Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily create a size chart page with just Shopify Magic AI. With this method, you don't need any ability with the code or use any app, so we are going to create the page with just prompts. Before we start, if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, you know with this size you can easily import any size chart. The link is on the comments. Okay, so let's get started. From your Shopify admin store, you click on Online Store. Now click on Pages and click on Add Page. Here I will give it a title. It's going to be a sizing chart. I will click on this icon. It's generate text. And here we are going to write a prompt. And this prompt is going to be create a size chart, the shirt table with 5 columns, and here you can actually edit how many columns and rows do you want. So for example, I will choose over here 5 columns and 6 rows. I will click on generate, and the size chart table is already being created. So if I check over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and then let's skip, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. That's right, that's what I want. And here you can also add to the table columns and the rows if you want. For example, you can actually click on this column, for example, on the first one, and click on the 3 dots and click on the table icon. And for example, you can actually delete this column. Okay, but I will not do it because I don't need it. You can also insert column before or insert column after. For example, I can insert a column over here. I can also insert rows. So if I click on the last row and I click on the icon table again, I can actually insert a row, for example, below that last row. If I click on insert row below, a new row will appear, right? I will hit the Ctrl Z. I write a heading over here, so just for formatting, heading 1. T-shirts, for example. You can actually also insert images if you want. You just click on the 3 dots and insert image. And actually I can generate as many tables as I want. So if I go over here on my last paragraph, and if I click on generate text again, for example, I will change t-shirt or pants, for example, and I will click on generate again. Okay, it's generating. I will keep it. Remove a little bit of this text. I will write also a heading, pants, and we can do it for as many tables as we want. Always make sure you edit the content with your product information. These tables comes with the fake data, so you probably need to add all the values, okay? And after you are done, you can just click on save, and that's it. Let's see what is the table result. So if I go to my sizing chart URL, I can actually see it's pretty good.